What if you could automate 80% of your marketing tasks and generate leads while you sleep? That's what our marketing automation does for businesses making six figures. Most businesses waste time on repetitive marketing tasks, email campaigns, social posts, lead nurturing, customer segmentation. Your team sends the same messages manually to hundreds of prospects. This approach doesn't scale. AI solves this by automating these tasks instantly, freeing your team to focus on strategy and sales. HubSpot automates email sequences and lead scoring. Zapier writes personalized copy at scale. Active Campaign segments audiences and triggers campaigns automatically. These platforms reduce marketing workload by 60-80% while increasing conversion rates by 30-45%. You're not replacing humans, you're multiplying their effect. E-commerce companies reduce customer acquisition costs by 35% using AI-driven email automation. SaaS businesses generate qualified leads 24/7 with chatbots. Agencies handle 3x more clients without hiring. One founder saved 40 AI call monthly by automating customer support with AI. These aren't theories, they're happening now. Pick one process: email nurturing, social posting, or lead qualification. Implement one AI tool. Measure results for 30 days. Then scale what works. Don't overcomplicate it. Most businesses see ROI within 90 days. Your competitors are already automating, don't get left behind. Subscribe for more AI strategies that grow revenue. Like this video. Comment which marketing task drains your time most. What if ID1 marketing task